Hi, this is Kian Somani, and during Planning 10 I've created this ePortfolio using WordPress. Enjoy. The tech tools I used throughout this whole process were a PowerPoint, which was all about me at the beginning of Planning 10, and it really just shows like what kind of person I am overall. Some of my hobbies, what type of learner I am, and this is kind of based off of what like my goals in life are. It asks a bunch of questions related to your favorite things and personality tests, and that's basically what Unit 1 was. So, in Planning 10 overall, I thought doing this ePortfolio was really helpful. So, the type focus results, which is basically what tells you about career options for you in the future that suit your personality. For this, you can see I've learned a lot, and I gave a summary about it, and I really feel like it's taught me a lot more on how to use technology, especially having to put all these PDFs and different formats in. And for Unit 2, we did a job seeking project. It's obviously make-believe because Planning 10 is not going to force you to actually get a job somewhere for them, but it basically taught me the basics I need. So if I actually needed a job in the future, I already have my resume and cover letter set up because of this, which is always a good thing. It also taught me how to budget for trips. As you can see, I learned how to use an Excel spreadsheet, which was kind of frustrating at the first part, but I learned how to do it, and that was also interesting. University plan was the second project, and I feel I learned a lot from that on the options there are out there near me, and the universities close to where I live, and how hard they are to get into, and this kind of gave me an idea of that. For Unit 4, this is actually my favorite projects, or best project, in my opinion, was my Unit 4 ones. Both of them, because I can't really decide. But basically, one of them was on the mental illness depression, and the other one I chose for a diet that is trendy. I chose the Hydroxycut weight loss supplement. So as you can see, this was made with Padlet, which I don't think most people know what it is, but Padlet is basically a wall, like maybe a poster or something, except it's digital, and you can add words, background, images, things like that. So I just researched, and I've actually learned a lot about depression and how, if untreated, it can become a serious thing, and how it's diagnosed and all those types of things. And I feel like that teaches me a lot. And from this Prezi that I did on Hydroxycut, if you don't know what that is, it's a weight loss supplement. That taught me a lot as well. As you can see, I did a lot of research on it, and feel like I learned what nutrition is good for a teen such as myself, and what health benefits something like this, or health negative effects taking something like that can have. Sorry, Unit 4 showed you those are my favorite projects, and for Unit 5 I'm currently still working on it, but the grad planner, which is basically what courses I plan to take in grade 11 and 12, I have done that and planned that out based on my future job and what I feel like I should be doing. That wraps up my WordPress and my ePortfolio tour. I hope you enjoyed, and I wanted to say overall that I thought Planning 10 was a unique course. Even though mandatory and somewhat time consuming, it's really benefited me, and I think it's going to be helpful in the long run and help me find careers and use different digital tools and budget for things like a trip, or just learn basic skills such as eating healthier. I think I'm going to implement these skills in the future, and I have this course to thank for that. I hope you enjoyed this audio tour.